Have a great day, everyone. Welcome. Thank you back. Thank you for watching in this video. Thank you for having me here. So today, guys, another vowel sound or diphthong sounds that we will going to pronounce now. So whether you like it or not, whether you're ready or not, let's do it. Okay, so in this video, guys, we will going to have now a pronunciation of the vowel sound Okay, let's start with the words with an initial vowel sound of Okay, let's have earn, urgent, urban, urchin. Now for the words with a medial vowel sound of let's start burn, courage, person, herd, kernel, world. Okay, so thank you so much. Let's proceed now to the drill on of the words. Let's start with church, murmur, concern, worth, hurt, nurture, learn, curl, certain, nurse, germ, service, rehearse, sermon, journey, urchin, disturb, world. Okay, another thing that we've learned today. So thank you so much for watching, everyone. I hope you learned something, and have a great day and have fun. Bye.